Cutscene. Man, I sure hope Chainsaw Man doesn't show up.
Show yourself.
Wait a minute, that's not Chainsaw Man. Watch out, Raiden, everything is falling on you.
Oh no.
I hope there isn't a dog in this trash can. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
It's a trash dog. And by the chainsaw, I'm guessing this is the evolved form of Vegeta. Okay, guess not. You got a better name?
Interface prototype. All autonomous.
You got a better name for that clanker.
Artificial intelligence.
Whoa.
Type of device enables verbal communication.
Yeah, I hope that's not racist or
Far beyond human
robotist in the future.
Say. Okay then.
To all my AIs out there, y'all cool. Don't steal my job.
I am here to kill you.
Fair enough. Okay. You can't aura farm in high heels.
That's it? Pretty simple thinking for such a mighty intellect.
I may have
Sibao.
orders, but I may not disobey them. Should I disobey a direct order, my memory would be wiped. I must destroy you.
What
Fair
good is
enough.
an intellect if you can't use it?
Your taunting is pointless. Exterminate.
Why is he caked up? Who designed you like that, bro? A white woman?
Free.
Get it? The joke is that he's a dog. Anyway,
Yeah,
time to battle.
Yeah, we got the joke.